Welcome to John Newton online class. In this video, I want to solve this particular problem in physics. This is taken from a topic known as thermal physics, that is temperature and ease measurement or heat and ease measurement. Now, look at the question. A faulty thermometer wrongly calibrated reads minus 30 degrees Celsius at the ice point and 90 degrees Celsius at the steam point. Then we are now expected to calculate the true Celsius temperature reading corresponding to 60 degrees Celsius of the faulty thermometer. Now, solution. Now, in solving this question, we look at this case. We have two thermometers here. One is correct and one is incorrect or wrongly calibrated. Now, we have to give the two scales. Now, the faulty scale, let's take this one as the faulty one, the one that is not correctly calibrated. And we are told that the ice point, that is the lower fixed point of the thermometer, reads minus 30 degrees Celsius. Then we are told also that the steam point, that is the upper fixed point of that thermometer, reads 90 degrees Celsius. Then the question now explains further that at a certain point of the thermometer, it reaches 60 degrees Celsius. Then this is for the fourth thermometer, that the thermometer that is incorrectly calibrated. Now let's compare it with a true scale thermometer, a true Celsius thermometer, which we know that the upper fixed point is 100 degrees Celsius and the lower fixed point is 0 degrees Celsius. Now the question now asks us, what will be the true reading here when this incorrect one reaches 60 degrees? So let's take the reading, the corresponding reading here to be T. So it implies from the question that when this wrong thermometer, this is the correct one, this is the correct thermometer. Now when this faulty, the wrong thermometer reads 90, the correct one at this ice point supposed to be 100 degrees Celsius. Then when it reaches minus 30 degrees, this one is by standard 0 degrees Celsius. Now show that this is a wrong thermometer. Now we are now calculating to know the true reading of this correct Celsius thermometer when this one with error reaches 60 degrees Celsius. Now what do? We now compare them by ratio. Now we have that from here, we have that, or let's start from here, from the correct one versus the incorrect one. From here, we have that T minus 0, that is this T here minus this 0, all over 100, the upper fixed point, minus the lower fixed point. 100 minus 0 equals, we do the same thing on this side, we have 60 minus, we have minus here, so it should be minus 30 degrees. This is where students make mistake. They will ignore or mistakenly neglect this minus here and write only minus 30. You have to take care of this. Then all over this versus this, 90 minus 30. Then we further, we have T minus 0 is T, all over 100 minus 0 is 100, equals 60 minus 1 means 60, minus times minus in mathematics is plus 30 degrees, all over 90, minus times minus is plus 30. Then we now have that, we have here T, that gives us T over 100 equals 60 plus 30 gives us 90, all over 90 plus 30 gives us 120. Then we now cross multiply. On cross multiplying, we have that 120t, that's 120 times t, equals 100 times 90, gives us 9,000. Then such that t will be equals 9,000 all over 120. We now have that 0 cancels 0, leaving us with 900 over 12. And 900 over 12 gives us 75. So our answer is 75 degrees. You can check out this if it is true. Here, roughly here, we have that if 75 times 12 will give us 900. 2 times 5 is 10, right? 0, carry 1. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1, 15. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 7, 7, giving us 0. This is 10, you write 0, carry 1, put here 2, plus 7, 9. So that is it. So I hope you enjoyed this.